Okay, so... Alright, so I did get people asking me for exhaust on my brother's car that me and him have been working on, and a sound system, plus I'm adding something extra, so enjoy. Alright, go, bro! There's a Flowmaster. Alright. So now we are doing sound system. Okay. Alright, plug in your phone. It's cold outside, bro.
Yes, it is. Which one?
Alright, so we do have two kickers in the back, and what's in the front?
Two 50-watt four-ways.
Alright, so we have two 50-watt four-ways in the front. For the radio, we have an aftermarket. What kind of radio is that, dude? I don't remember. It's an aftermarket radio. We can't remember what it is.
And then the speakers in the back are 800 watts.
Yeah, the speakers in the back are 800 watts. So, and you're getting subwoofer sound, so yeah.
When the whistle go.
Alright, so there you go. Hopefully you enjoyed it. That was fucking badass, I guess. We're getting, what are you getting, cold air intake next, or your sub?
No, I'm getting Kedwin subs.
You're getting Kedwin subs? 200?
Kedwin subs.
I can't speak
Getting
today, that's
12s.
what I meant. You're getting 12s with the amp and
3,000 watt amp.
3,000 watt amp, so this should be fucking,
What do you think?
yeah. Be fucking dank! Alright,
Okay, now get out of my car so I can go home.
alright, whatever you say, man.